Scene 1. Introduction. The camera sweeps across dramatic and beautiful landscapes. Deserts kissed by golden sunlight, forests humming with life, majestic mountains piercing the heavens, and rivers snaking like veins through the earth. From shadows transitions a glowing celestial throne, where the mysterious king of the kingdom of God begins to speak, his voice serene yet commanding. Behold, mankind's journey through life, like a vast quilt stitched together by cultural wisdom and spirit. Humanity, oh humanity, your essence makes you the salt of this earth, a common grain seasoned by unique flavors of understanding. But true vision, true understanding, flows not from the eyes, but from the very depths of a kind heart. This, my friends, is the reality of inner sight, the gift of those who honor their humanity. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. A gentle dissolve to the heart of the American forest. Tribes gather around their chief, whose oratory brilliance stirs their souls. Chief Seattle takes center stage. Our ancestors remind us, the earth does not belong to man. No, man belongs to the earth. His essence runs with the rivers and breathes with the wind. Within each of us lies a truth more radiant than the sun. It is a vision not seen but felt, a guide to live as part of this miraculous web, with respect for every living thread. As this wisdom fades, we hear a haunting melody and find ourselves beneath a starless sky, the vivid dream time of the Australian Aboriginals. An elder steps forward, his voice sonorous, brimming with ancestral gravitas. Listen, in the dream time, the earth sang us into existence, and we learned. We learned to recognize the wisdom in every whisper of the wind, every ripple of water, every constellation's gaze. Oh, children, open your hearts. Your true vision hides not behind your eyelids, but thrives within your soul. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. A soft transition to sunlight streaming into a mosque. An Islamic scholar, seated among listeners, reads sacred texts. His voice is measured, strong, yet gentle. The Prophet Muhammad, upon whom be peace, once said, "The most beloved people to Allah are those who bring the most benefit to others." Our purpose lies in upholding the beauty of God's creation, in nurturing the relationships with the world and its inhabitants with love, compassion, and gratitude. For in respecting his signs do we uncover the clarity that is unseen by natural sight, but discernible to the soul. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Serenity fills the frame as we arrive at a tranquil temple. Incense swirls under the faint sunlight. The Buddha speaks, his tone meditative, yet profoundly soul-piercing. We search and search, but enlightenment evades the eye. It doesn't rest beneath a pile of pearls or dwell in temples of gold. Brothers and sisters, we are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. Your heart is your compass. Align it to wisdom, and your path will be clear. Look inward. Beyond illusion lies ultimate truth. Scene 5. Conclusion. The final montage begins. Threads of different cultures braid together. People meditating under ancient trees, praying on sunlit steps, storytelling by the fireside, gazing at starry heavens. The benevolent king of the kingdom of God returns as narrator, delivering a voice as resonant as eternity itself. Humanity, awake. Every tradition hums the same melody, an ode to the unseen. Real vision swells not from open eyes, but from awakened spirits and open hearts. It leads us through corridors of kindness, valleys of humility, and peaks of compassion. Hold dear the bond we share with all existence, for we are one people, one planet. Embrace your inner vision. Let it guide you. For indeed, in our diversity, we find our deepest unity. The screen fades to black as soothing music crescendos. The credits roll amidst a quiet, contemplative ambiance, leaving the lasting echo of united wisdom in every viewer's heart.